support kit.
I see too much oil since in this.
Too much cold?
Yeah, in this area.
Okay? Enjoy.
But the thing is, shuttle will coming maybe one game, two shuttle almost. Because it's
I
very.
know, because too much.
Yeah, that's right.
It's okay. You're gonna pay.
I think this one shuttle is okay for them only. This one shuttle okay for them. This one, the other one, right? Not the same.
Not the same, yes, yes, yes. This is that one is the hybrid. With this new guys, this is the best one. This black one. This is the best for all of them.
Which one, the black one?
Yeah, this one is the best.
Yeah.
You played with the two, right? The
Yeah,
white,
yeah, the white one,
and
yeah,
the red, the pink.
Oh, okay, okay. The one is different, right?
Yeah, this is their friend. There are three of them. This is the best.
Okay.
So you will play with me.
Oh, okay, okay. I have played with them, this guy, before in
Palitan daw.
Sige, sige.
baseline. In baseline.
In baseline, right?
Yeah,
They're playing there.
Oh, okay.
Okay, next. Okay, Kurt. Jeric Nizam. Tama ba? Jeric Nizam, Kurt, and Michael. Kuya Michael. Ang dalawa. Kuya Jack, Sir Jack. Nizam. Ito sir ha. May pinakamagaling sa akin kaya no mercy mo yan. Kampi mo si Nizam. Tapos na? Okay, ano ba na? Sir Alp, tulong ka muna. Alper, Abdu, and Grant, Grant, pwede ka na? Si Grant. Budo. Pwede ka na, Grant? Alper ko. Alper, Abdu, Grant, and pwede pala. Grant and Chris. Sir, mamaya na ito nalagay sa ano chill ka muna ngayon. Chill muna sa una. You and Grant. Nice, kuya.
Yung kahit gamit, maganda. At, ayaw, bigay na rin, baka tamaan sa pag.
Ito. Ayun. Uy! Pogi! Welcome, welcome, welcome. Ang pangalan ng asawa mo?
Kasi grabe ka naman.
Ay,
Wala.
Hi po, welcome po. Ano po name mo kasi?
Si Sir Ant.
Anthony
Cha.
Cha. Sulat pala kasi name.
Musta, sir?
Ay, naman, welcome po. Welcome sa inyo, welcome po sa inyo.
Si Sir Ant, nakakalaro namin. Tapos, engineer din siya. Ay, architect sa ano, sa naging project ko.
Ay,
Kapatid niya si ano. Kalaro niya, CJ.
Kapatid mo si CJ? Ay, talaga? Wow, small, grabe small.
Ay,
Galing naman.
di na yata naglalaro yung kapatid niya eh.
Si Cristel. Cristel!
Kasi galing yung kapatid niya.
Magaling. Magaling kapatid. Magaling kapatid mo, magaling kapatid mo.
Makaka-level na ni Sir Ant siguro.
Ay, di ba? Mas magaling mo.
Ganun kinabossing, ganun ka, Sir Job. Sila ba yung mga kalinya niya sa kaya yung kapatid ni Sir Job? Sir, pulang kami.
Sige, sige, sir. Ako'y taga-ano kasi. Ay, Danny Carlo. Ay, sige. Wala na sa bag mo.